to the World Health Organization, depression is now the leading cause of disability in the world. Many people who suffer with depression also suffer from anxiety symptoms, disturbed sleep, weight loss or weight gain, feelings of guilt, loss of self-worth, loss of energy, motivation or interest in anything, poor concentration, feelings of hopelessness, and even medically unexplained symptoms. But that's not all. As depression is allowed to continue, it leads to severe depressive episodes, during which it's unlikely the sufferer will be able to continue with social life, work, or domestic activities. At its worst, left untreated, depression can lead to suicide. But there are effective treatments for depression. The World Health Organization, NHS UK, the American Psychiatric Association, Rethinking Mental Illness, the Royal College of Psychiatrists, and the National Institute of Mental Health all agree depression can be cured. But depression is a complicated condition. It is a multi-dimensional illness, meaning multiple factors play a part in creating it. So curing depression needs a multi-dimensional approach, and that's exactly what we do at the Depression Fix. Everything on this course is based on scientific research. We use scientifically proven techniques such as CBT, cognitive behavioural therapy, mindfulness, solution-focused brief therapy, and complementary therapies such as hypnosis. Each week, for 12 weeks, you will work through an online program with video tutorials and then do the week's exercises that are sent direct to your personal therapist for feedback. The course is a combination of self-help and therapist intervention. In the Depression Fix, different fields of science have come together to tackle depression from different angles that are or could be affecting you, including your thought patterns, diet and nutrition, allergies, lifestyle, and whether or not you've inherited it, together with clear instructions of how to address and adjust each one of those issues. Everyone is unique, and you may or may not be affected by everything. Some things we know will definitely be influencing your depression. So the way we tackle it is to come at it from multiple angles simultaneously. The natural tendency is to look inwards into the depression to try and figure out why. Doing that doesn't actually help at all. In fact, the hours spent contemplating your depression can make it worse. And it's a vicious cycle because the more you do it, the worse you feel, and the more your mind is encouraged to negatively introspect, effectively trapping you. We switch that around and we focus on the solutions and the cure, helping and supporting you every step of the way out of depression. This course doesn't just teach you the skills to come out of depression. You will learn everything you need to know so you never have to relapse again. And you will learn new life skills that will help you to easily navigate future challenges. When is the best time to start the Depression Fix? Right now, while you are motivated and looking for something to help, while you are in that mindset. Don't wait until you feel like it or until you feel better. The Depression Fix program can be thought of a bit like painkillers. Do you take painkillers after the pain has gone, when you feel better? No, of course you don't. And this is exactly the same. You don't wait until you feel better. You do this while you're feeling at your worst or bad because it will help you to feel better. As soon as you click the link below and sign up, you will get access to the first week, even if that's at 2 a.m. Your therapist will be in touch, not at 2 a.m, but during the first week to make contact and to arrange a short assessment call and to introduce themselves. And that's all there is to it. Taking the first step is the hardest step, but once you do, you will already be on the road to recovery.